So this is how I pack. It's a little dark out here, I'm sorry. But I'm getting some more camera equipment soon, so hey, just bear with me now. So a very quick haul. These are so good. The Heart Healthy blend. I already actually opened that up and how to pack because it's that good. This is dangerously good. Dangerous because you gotta watch how much you eat of that, but for tacos, you gotta try this. Crema Mexicana. Just some quick things, real quick. I didn't really need to get too much today. Some drinks, pasta, peeled garlic. I'm gonna show you how to organize all of this in my refrigerator. This is so good. Chow chow. It's that time of the year. Burgers, whatever. I also found this. I thought this was kind of interesting. The Mediterranean Magic. I've been eating a good Mediterranean. Another thing that's so good. This non-dairy coconut milk Ready Whip. So good. So I need to go to Sam's Club next. I'll do a video there too. So good. These are so bomb. These croissants at Walmart. Like the little ladies back there in the back, they make them fresh if you get there in the morning. So this is my favorite. Get this camera going, flopping. My favorite dressing, this Caesar Cardinis. And it's the original Caesar salad, literally the first Caesar salad ever created by the person who created Caesar salads. Does that make sense? Probably not. Caesar Cardini created the Caesar salad in 1924. And did you know he was Mexican? So technically Caesar salads are like Mexican dish, like a Mexican dish. So this is the before. I'm already very crazy about how everything is. What I'm gonna do is take all this out because some of these drawers need to be cleaned up, and I like to do this at least once a week. I need to get these shelves kind of together, and I'll be back with the after. Restocking this part. I'm very particular about all of this. Like, see how that's crooked? That's not right. His nose is crooked. Nope. I'll have to move it. Look, it's not right. There you go. I'm very weird about this. So just an update. I am getting there slowly but surely.